Right. So first of all, a little disclaimer is that I'm not making any medical claims. I'm not claiming to treat or cure cancer. You shouldn't take what I'm saying now as like a doctor-patient relationship. I'm just giving you information. So in my book, there's a whole chapter on cancer where, again, I'm not making medical claims, but I'm just talking about the research of what it shows. So there's studies that show that and maybe right when I answer this question, we should take a step back and talk about just what the endocannabinoid system is, because
that'd be great.
Makes this whole thing make more sense. But there's studies showing that stimulating the endocannabinoid system actually upregulates your immune system to actually detect and destroy cancer cells through something called apoptosis. And apoptosis is like pre-programmed cell death. So kind of like I mentioned, our body is designed to encounter viruses and build immunity. Our body every single day is detecting and destroying abnormal cells that are precancerous or could become cancerous through our immune system. So the phytocannabinoids, or the plant cannabinoids found in hemp, which is the best source, upregulate this endocannabinoid system and upregulate our immune function to detect and destroy cancer cells. There's other studies showing that there's other benefits of it, that there's studies showing that it can prevent the spread of cancer, it can, or the metastasis of cancer. So specifically in my book, I look at research that has to do with breast cancer, prostate cancer, pancreatic cancer. Some of these are, or many of these are preclinical. And what that means is they're done on, animals, done on mice, on rats, those kinds of things. So we still have a lot of work to do, but the preliminary studies are showing real promise.
Wow, that's amazing. Wow. So you've been using this for about 2 years, correct?
Yeah, in my clinic, personally, I've been using, I use it every day. As a matter of fact, I believe in the next 10 years that's why we're going to see the major financial not indicators, major financial predictors like Forbes, Fortune magazine. They're predicting that this whole CBD industry is going to grow into some people are saying $2 trillion industry in the next 10 years. And I believe the reason is that when people understand, and all this, the research that we're starting now, some of the laws you might changed in 2015, but then especially in 2018, at the end of the year, December of 2018, some federal laws changed that allowed universities to study hemp, because prior to that, they were lumping it in with marijuana. It was considered illegal in most states. So when this research comes out and people understand, I think the vast majority of people are going to be using it every single day just to promote health.